Hi everyone, welcome to EMQM 5103 Project Quality Management. I am Kanesan Muthusamy, your video tutor for this subject. In this first video, I will guide you through the first topic, Introduction to Project Quality Management. This topic is basically giving an idea of what is quality management and project quality management is all about. Before I start with the lecture, I suggest that you have a writing pad to take simple notes as you watch this video. This is much easier to focus and remember when you are jotting your points. Mind mapping would be helpful and useful. At the end of this session, you should be able to, number 1, define quality and triple constraints, identify the costs and benefits of quality, number 3, describe the progressive history of project quality management, explain the wheel of quality. Now, let's start by looking at the broad definitions of quality in project management. Quality as a broad definition it specifies will vary depending on the situations. However, the general definitions of quality is meeting customers' requirements and specifications, a process which begins before the implementation of any project. According to a well-known quality guru, Joseph M. Juran, quality means something about the features of products which meet customer needs and thereby provide customer satisfaction and agreement. In conclusion, quality in project management means that the process of establishing a level of expected quality at the start of a project and then maintaining the quality throughout the process until the project has been completed. Now, let us explore relationship between quality and project triple constraints. Project triple constraints consists of 3 elements, that is time, cost, scope in meeting the project objectives and satisfying the customer. In managing a successful project, a project manager should be well experienced in order to balance the triple constraints, which are time, cost and scope in meeting the project objectives as well as satisfying the customer. This linkage addresses the quality of the product of the project. Let us take an example of a product where some additional requirements are needed. Therefore, the scope needs to be increased too, and thus this will also increase the amount of time cost required. Similarly, in cases where the time frame of the project needs to be shortened, we would reduce the scope, or we also could shorten the time by involving more resources and thus increasing the cost. So, cost of quality do not mean the use of expensive or very highly qualified material to manufacture the product. In terms refers to costs that are incurred, prevent, detect, remove defects from products. Quality costs are categorized into 2 types, which are cost of conformance, cost of non-conformance. Quality will ensure customer satisfaction, will prolong the business with continued purchases from the same customer. Apart from that, the other benefits of quality are as follows. Number 1, cost reduction. Number 2, waste reduction. Number 3, improve efficiency. Number 4, improve supplies, increase profits, increase sales, better products and performance, increase competitiveness for global market, job and business creation. Quality teams have progressively developed over time based on the needs of the particular time, which has led to the advancement of the concept of quality. The following are the chronology of the quality evolution. Number 1, car production. This era begins from the 1700s. One craftsman is responsible for the whole process of production, from the design to the sale of the product. Inspection was widely applied. Industrial evolutions. This quality philosophy started when the focus was on individual parts, not the whole products. Quality control was widely applied. Number 3, scientific management. The responsibility of producing a product was segregated among different groups of people. This idea was incepted by Frederick W. Taylor, who promoted process planning, the use of statistical theory, and worker productivity. Variation phenomenon. Variation is created when repetitive processes or works are executed. It introduces the plan, do, check, act cycle as means of implementing quality improvements. Conformance to the specification focus. This method focuses on the specification to be met, whereby the primary goal was to achieve conformance to these specifications as a quality central focus of quality. Japanese quality. The whole organization worked together towards the same goals. Quality control circles and Kaizen were widely applied. Contemporary view. In the contemporary view of quality, the focus is more on customer requirements or the customer driven quality. The wheel of quality is a summary of the contemporary quality that involves mainly customer focus, variation, and continuous improvement. Customer focus. Customer comprised of internal, external, and hidden customers. Variation. Repetitive processes that produce various results. Continuous improvement. The activity of taking incremental small steps of dramatic great leaps forward. Training. This is foundation of quality and well-grounded theory, and not trial and error activities. Leadership. Unifying forces of quality. Here I would like you to attempt this question in the MyInspire forum. I hope that you have understood what we have discussed in this video. Just to recap, a generic definition of quality is the quality is about meeting customer requirements and specifications. This is process that begins prior to the implementation of any project. The triple constraint of project management comprises of time, cost, and scope, which should be well managed by the project manager in order to deliver a successful outcome. It is important to develop an effective PMS for employees, managers, and the organization. The cost of quality can be related to failure, that means internal and external, prevention and appraisal. Wish you all the best in your studies. Goodbye for now. Thank you.